Imagine a place where towering mountains pierce the clouds. This is Waterton Glacier International Peace Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It straddles the border of Canada and the United States. Rugged peaks give way to verdant valleys, adorned with vibrant wildflowers. Glaciers have carved out valleys over millennia, feeding pristine lakes and rivers. The park is a sanctuary for a staggering array of wildlife, from majestic elk to elusive wolves. This park is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a living laboratory. Scientists from around the world study its unique ecosystems and the effects of climate change. Their findings help us understand the delicate balance of nature. They teach us how to protect it for generations to come. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is more than just a place of beauty. It's a symbol of international cooperation. It stands as a testament to the idea that nature can bring nations together. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a land of towering peaks and sweeping valleys. Among these giants, Mount Cleveland stands supreme, reaching over 10,000 feet. Climbing Mount Cleveland is a challenging trek that rewards adventurers with breathtaking views. The mountains here are more than just impressive landmarks. They are the lifeblood of the park. Their snow-capped peaks feed the rivers and lakes below, sustaining a rich diversity of life. The mountains shape the landscape, carving out valleys and creating unique habitats. They remind us of the immense forces that have shaped our planet. They humble us with their grandeur. Nestled among the towering peaks lie a series of pristine lakes. These shimmering jewels reflect the sky above, their colors shifting with the changing light. Each lake has its own unique character, from the deep blue of Upper Waterton Lake to the emerald green of Cameron Lake. Fed by glacial meltwater, they are remarkably pure, ideal habitats for a variety of fish species. The lakes are vital to the park's ecosystem, providing water for plants and animals. They moderate the climate, keeping the surrounding areas cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Whether you're paddling along their shores or simply admiring their beauty, the lakes leave a lasting impression. They are a testament to the power of nature to create beauty and sustain life. The landscape of Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a testament to the power of geological forces over millions of years. The mountains, valleys, and lakes were sculpted by the slow, relentless movement of glaciers. One striking example is the presence of U-shaped valleys, a result of the immense weight and erosive power of glaciers. Another fascinating feature is the presence of erratics, large boulders transported by glaciers and deposited as the ice melted. The geological history of the park is a story written in stone of immense forces shaping the land over eons. This history continues to unfold today as erosion and weathering slowly reshape the landscape. By understanding this history, we gain a deeper appreciation for the park's beauty. It reminds us of the powerful forces that created it. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a vibrant tapestry of life. A rich diversity of plants and animals thrives here, all connected in a delicate balance. From alpine meadows to dense forests, each habitat supports its own unique community of species. In spring, the meadows erupt in a riot of color, with wildflowers blooming in abundance. As you ascend into higher elevations, coniferous forests dominate the slopes. The diversity of plant life provides food and shelter for a wide array of animals. These plants are the foundation of a healthy and thriving ecosystem. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is home to an astonishing array of animals. From majestic elk to elusive wolverines, these creatures thrive in this rugged landscape. One of the most iconic animals is the grizzly bear, a symbol of wilderness. High in the alpine meadows, you might spot a mountain goat, perfectly adapted to life on steep slopes. The rivers and lakes teem with life, including native fish species like cutthroat trout and bull trout. These fish are a vital food source for larger animals and play an important role in the park's aquatic ecosystems. The park is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Wolves, once nearly eradicated from the park, are slowly making a comeback. These apex predators play a crucial role in regulating prey populations, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The park is also home to a variety of bird life, including golden eagles and bald eagles. Down in the forests, woodpeckers hammer at trees, searching for insects. These birds play an important role in controlling insect populations, helping to keep the forest healthy. The animals of Waterton Glacier International Peace Park remind us of the importance of preserving wild spaces. Their presence enriches our lives in countless ways. A visit to Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a symphony for the senses. The air is filled with the scent of pine needles and wildflowers, and the sound of rushing water echoes through the valleys. Beyond its visual splendor, the park offers a deeper connection to the natural world. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the rhythms of nature. Every turn in the trail reveals something new and unexpected, from hidden waterfalls to grazing deer. This sense of discovery makes the park so special. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the wonder of nature. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park has a rich and layered history. Indigenous peoples, including the Blackfoot Confederacy, the Katunaxa Nation, and the Salish peoples, considered this area sacred. For centuries, these communities thrived in this challenging yet abundant environment. Evidence of their presence can still be found throughout the park, from ancient campsites to rock art. These archaeological treasures are a testament to the enduring connection between indigenous peoples and this land. Their stories speak of a time when animals could talk and spirits roamed the mountains. These stories carry important lessons about respecting nature and living in balance. The establishment of Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a testament to the power of collaboration and the pursuit of peace. In the early 20th century, Rotary clubs on both sides of the border championed the idea of creating a park dedicated to peace. In 1932, Waterton Lakes National Park in Canada and Glacier National Park in the United States were united, forming the world's first international peace park. This act represented a shared commitment to conservation, understanding, and goodwill between two nations. The park's designation as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1995 further solidified its global significance. It highlighted the park's outstanding universal value, both for its natural beauty and its role as a symbol of peace and international cooperation. The legacy of peace established by Waterton Glacier International Peace Park continues to inspire us today. Park rangers from both Canada and the United States work collaboratively to protect the park's natural and cultural treasures. Education plays a vital role in ensuring the park's long-term health, with visitors learning about its ecological and cultural significance. The park serves as a living laboratory, attracting scientists who conduct research on topics like climate change. The park serves as a living laboratory, attracting scientists who conduct research on topics like wildlife conservation. Their findings contribute to a better understanding of the park's complex ecosystems and inform management decisions. This spirit of cooperation is essential for addressing transboundary issues and ensuring the park's future. The history of Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a tapestry woven from ancient traditions, visionary actions, and ongoing efforts to safeguard its future. By learning about the indigenous cultures that have thrived here for millennia, we gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things. By remembering the spirit of cooperation that led to the park's creation, we are inspired to find common ground and work together to address environmental challenges. The park stands as a symbol of hope and resilience, reminding us that we can come together to protect something precious for future generations. It beckons us to embrace our role as stewards of the earth. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park faces a challenge: climate change. Glaciers are receding at an alarming rate, impacting the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The park's guardians, a dedicated team of scientists and rangers, monitor these changes closely. Their research helps us understand the effects of a warming planet and informs conservation efforts. Sustainable practices are paramount, and visitors are encouraged to minimize their footprint. Education fosters a sense of responsibility among those who explore this natural wonder. The fight against invasive species is ongoing, with early detection and rapid response crucial in protecting the park's biodiversity. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park faces an uncertain future. Climate change is evident, with rising temperatures disrupting the ecosystem. Glaciers are receding at an alarming rate. Wildfires, fueled by warmer conditions, pose a growing threat. Tourism provides benefits, but also pressures the park's resources. International cooperation remains strong. Scientists and conservationists are working together to address these threats. Protecting Waterton Glacier. International Peace Park is a shared responsibility. It requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and governments. By working together, we can preserve this natural wonder for generations. Reducing our carbon footprint is essential. Climate change is a significant threat. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions helps mitigate impacts on this ecosystem. Supporting conservation organizations is crucial. Many non-profits work tirelessly to protect the park. Donating or volunteering makes a tangible difference. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a place of profound beauty, ecological significance, and cultural heritage. It's a symbol of international cooperation and a testament to the power of nature to inspire and unite us. But this natural treasure is facing unprecedented challenges in the 21st century. Climate change, habitat loss, and the pressures of increasing visitation all threaten to disrupt the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The time to act is now. We must all do our part to protect this special place for future generations. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on the environment, and educating ourselves and others about the importance of this park, we can help ensure that its legacy of peace and natural splendor endures for centuries to come. Let us answer the call to action, not just for Waterton Glacier International Peace Park, but for all the irreplaceable natural wonders that grace our planet. Waterton Glacier International Peace Park stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration. This natural wonderland, straddling the border of two nations, transcends political boundaries. The park's towering peaks, carved by ancient glaciers, reflect our aspirations for harmony with nature. Indigenous peoples have long recognized the sacredness of this land. The park symbolizes peace and the power of collaboration. We are called to be stewards of this land, ensuring future generations inherit a thriving world. The future of Waterton Glacier International Peace Park rests in our hands. It's a responsibility that knows no borders and unites us in a common purpose. Each of us has a role in ensuring this natural wonder inspires for generations. Our actions, no matter how small, can make a difference. By reducing our footprint and supporting sustainable practices, we contribute to a global movement for change. Educating ourselves and future generations about conservation is paramount. It fosters stewardship and empowers us to become voices for the voiceless. Visiting the park is an opportunity to connect with nature profoundly. Let us leave this place better than we found it.